Hi, Joanne with Journaling Adventures. Just wanted to show you something I've been working on. What started out as some really cool, real natural leaves that a friend in a swap group sent me in a swap. And then she sent a video on stamping with these leaves, and I just had to try it. So that's how it all started, and somehow I kept going with it. But anyway, this is it. It is a nature, very much nature little journal. This is all stamped with that leaf. And this part right here is I'm not sure. I have a bag of like wooden pieces and stuff that are like natural things. I'm not sure what this is, but I couldn't figure out how to close it. And I didn't want to wrap anything around it. So I supported this bag with a piece there and a piece back here so I can clip it closed. And then I have a little jackrabbit and a key right here. I have a butterfly right here. This is a real fern from my yard that I Mod Podged on there. We have some burlap, a real stick wrapped in twine, and a real pine cone. So that's the cover. Opening it up, I supported the cover because it's just, you know, paper bag with a sleeve from Starbucks, coffee sleeve, and also another piece of cardboard. This is the leaf, one of the leaves that she sent me, and I've got it stuck and Mod Podged on there very good. This is a piece of faux wood that I made. Put a little bit of leaves on there, and then I've got little tags in here. Tim Holtz tissue paper, just a little. And this is a little long time ago, probably a year ago, I painted these trees on book page. This is a page that is that I'd done a while ago with white tissue paper and then stained it. I've got a leaf and a bug on there. It's very rustic, guys. And then on the other side, I've just stuck a little piece of paper to write on. This is a book page that was sent to me in a swap. It's got napkin on it. This is a tea bag and that I had sewn around the edges and also stuck on some Tim Holtz tissue and a little bird right there, and I've got different nature things inside there. Got a little bear right here. Lots of old cool papers to write on. This is one of the stamps that I made with a leaf. Put paper on it. This is an owl, says get it over with. This is the leaf that she sent me, and I preserved it, and I've got a place to write on the back, and I just stuck it on there, but I use this to stamp. Got a pretty flower picture right there. Got a little hedgehog. Guest check. Doily. It's a little pocket right here with a couple things in there. Another leaf that was stamped. This is the center of the book. Another pocket. And this is a little button a container, a little bag that buttons come in, and I filled it with a little tiny book that I made, and these are actual leaves from a plant outside, and it's got paper inside and a couple other little things. So that's what's inside there. Got a real pretty postcard right here, and a couple sheets about plants and things from a vintage magazine. The other part of that leaf, this is a pocket up here with some tags and things in it. A little piece of fabric with some birds on there. And then this is a pocket made out of a toilet paper roll. It's got a little tag in there to write on. Fits in there. And there's the back. So that is what I did out of somebody sending me leaves. And I think it's pretty cool. And I also put some moss, green moss around here that says "Behold the Earth," and there's a little butterfly. So tell me what you think. It's really different. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day.